pala yung bundok.
Doon yung ano namin, accommodation. Yan, accommodation niya. So ito yung street na papunta sa taas dito, yung mountain and forest. Yan, street going down. Dito kami dumaan. So ayan, sunset. Snack namin, it's around 3, I think 3 afternoon, January 2. So naglakbay-lakbay muna kami, nag-walk kasi matatapos na yung bakasyon. So hoping another bakasyon. So anyway, thank you.